From the following information, prepare notes to accounts on depreciation and amortization expenses. So here they are asking us to prepare a notes to accounts. Now for this purpose, they have given us certain information like patent written off. Now tell me, this patent written off, इसको हम क्या नाम देंगे? Intangible assets. अगर वो write off हो रहे, तो उसको हम amortization कहते हैं. So this will be written under the amortization. Same way, goodwill written off, again an intangible asset. An intangible asset is getting written off, so where it will be recorded? Under the head amortization. Computer is of a value of 3 lakh. Depreciation on building is 15,500. So they have directly given us the depreciation ka value. Plant and machinery is of 2,50,000 and charge 10% of depreciation on it. So depreciation on building will be written under the head depreciation. Same way plant and machinery पर आपको 10% charge करना है, तो 2,50,000 का 10,000 का 10% comes to 25,000 and depreciate computers by 20%. So 3 lakh का 20% comes to 60,000. So depreciation fixed assets पर होंगे और amortization आप किस पे लगाओगे? Intangible assets पर. So let's start with the solution. Draw the notes to accounts. Give the heading, notes to accounts, note number, particulars, amount rupees. Over here, just write down A. You can give the number as well. Number 1, number 2. Done. Now we need to give the heading, depreciation and amortization expense. Then depreciation, now किस पर depreciation लगेगा? The first thing is given is building. So building का direct amount is given for the building. $15,500. Then we have a plant and machinery. $2,50,000 का है. On it we have to charge 10% of depreciation, so 25,000. Next we have a computers. So on computers we have to charge 20%. Take a total and write in the outside column 1,05,500. Amortization में first one which will be written will be patent written off and then goodwill written off. 12,500. Goodwill written off. $20,000. Take a total 1,20,500. So कितना amount transfer होगा, कितना amount you are going to write down in the balance sheet, sorry, in the statement of profit and loss account. So the amount of 1,20,500 will be shown in the statement of profit and loss account under the head depreciation and amortization expenses. Now next one. Calculate the cost of material consumed from the following. So here you have to find out the cost of material consumed. Cost of material consumed भी हम कहाँ पर लिखते हैं? We write it down under the statement of profit and loss, but expenses के अंदर में हम expense के heading के अंदर में we write down the cost of material consumed. So opening inventory of the material is given. We have a finished goods. Then we have a closing inventory of the material given. Finished goods of 75,000. And raw material purchased during the year is of 15 lakh rupees. So from this information, they are asking us to prepare the notes. That is amount of the cost of material. के कितना material होगा. This information has been written twice. चलो अब ये देखो finished goods. This is the opening finished goods which has been given. This is a finished goods, but this is a closing finished goods which has been given. ठीक है, ये जो finished goods है ये आपका opening है. So opening inventory of the material and opening inventory of the finished goods is given. Closing inventory of a material and closing inventory of a finished goods is given, and then the raw material purchased during the year is given. Now आपको ये confuse करने के लिए दिया है, because many of the students what they will be doing, they will be taking a finished goods and they will be finding out the amount. But remember one thing, you don't have to take the finished goods, you have to take down the opening and the closing inventory of the material. So let's find it out first. Cost of material consumed is equal to opening inventory plus purchase of materials minus closing stock of material. Now we have an opening stock which has been given to us. $2,50,000 plus purchases. Purchases are 15 lakh rupees minus closing 2,25,000. will be 15,25,000. So therefore कितना आ गया cost of material consumed? Is 15,25,000. For this purpose, let's write down the note that opening inventory of the finished goods and closing inventory of the finished goods is not considered, or it won't be shown under the change of inventory of the finished goods. Very important, as I have told you. This line is very important. We only have to take an opening and closing ka stock. Okay, opening and closing inventory. We don't have to take an opening and closing finished goods. This was a short sums on the how to prepare a notes to accounts.